Welcome to Alerts in MasterCare Plus. Alerts are designed to draw attention to important client or patient circumstances that may require special care or consideration. They act as a safeguard, ensuring that critical details are visible to staff at the right time. In this training, we'll explore how alerts are set up, how to view them, and how they support safer, more responsive client management. When you open a client's profile for the first time, any high-priority alerts will automatically pop up. From here, you can add tags by clicking on the Tags area and adding tags that may be necessary to the alert. You may also edit the alert, filter, sort, or download alerts to CSV if needed. You can view alerts in the Client Details section, where you'll see all alerts, high, medium, or low. To add a new alert, simply click Add. Set it to active or inactive. Choose the priority. Select a category. And add a brief description. You can also set an expiry date for the alert. When you're finished, click Save and Exit or Save and continue to make further changes. From the alert list, you can choose to either hide an alert by selecting Don't Show Again or always display a high-priority alert in the alert pop-up by selecting Show Always. Alerts are also visible in the patient banner at any stage. Simply click on the alert priority to view all alerts linked to that client. And that's how alerts work in MasterCare Plus. By understanding how to view, manage, and respond to them, you can ensure that important client information is never missed. Please check out our other videos for more training resources. Thank you for watching.